Hello everyone, Dana here from Dana's Electrical Services, and in today's video I will be going through the specific appliances that should have GFCI protection, right? And this is according to the National Electrical Code. And in addition to the regular that we are accustomed to, for instance, like the bathroom, kitchen areas, basement, etc., there are some specific appliances that the National Electrical Code states that should be protected by a GFCI protection. There are 12 appliances, and we will just run through these appliances. So, first, automotive vacuum machines. And as I am going through, I will just have some picture on screen so you can have an idea of what exactly we are talking about. So the first on the list is automotive vacuum machines. Next, we have drinking water coolers and battlefield stations. So cooling water, let me go again. Drinking water coolers and battlefield stations, right? And we should all be familiar with those. So the first two we should be familiar with, right? Next on the list is high pressure spray washing machines. So this is our power washer that we will use to wash our car, but these are the electric type, right? This device should be run, or this device should be powered by an outlet that is GFCI protection, or that has GFCI protection. Next on the list, we have tire inflation machines, right? And this is not just the little tire inflation machine that we plug into our car to pump our car tires. No, this that you see we have on screen right here, I'm speaking to the ones to this level, right? So the bigger tire inflation machines, right? The bigger ones that you will plug into an actual outlet, right? I think I missed something that I should have said. Yeah, I missed something that I should have said. So, as it relates to these appliances, the National Electrical Code states that GFCI protection shall be provided for the branch circuit or outlet supplying the following appliances rated 150 volts or less to ground and 60 amperes or less, single or three phase. I should have said that at the start of the video, but nonetheless, you still get the information. So after tire inflation machines, the next thing we have is vending machines. So yeah, and by the way, I am not promoting any brand in any way. I just grabbed some random photos from the internet so you guys can see a visual representation of the appliances that I'm speaking to. So here we have two vending machines, one with juice, one with snacks, and these must be protected by GFCI outlet or GFCI, let's just say GFCI protection, because GFCI doesn't necessarily mean outlet. It can be a GFCI breaker. Next, we have sump pumps. This is what I'm not really familiar with, but here we have a visual representation of what a sump pumps look like. So after sump pump, we have dishwashers. Yes, our dishwasher should be protected by GFCI. And I think we all should, well, let me not assume that we all should know that, but yes, it should be protected by a GFCI, and we can all see why. It is water that we are dealing with, right? In the kitchen here, and it is powered using an outlet. So we need GFCI protection to protect the user, I should say, from ground fault. The next thing is electric ranges or electric stove, right? This must be protected using a GFCI protection. Next, we have wall mounted ovens, and after wall mounted ovens, we have counter mounted cooking units. So, all these cooking units, ovens, or whatever you want to call it, they should be protected by GFCI protection. And also along the same line, Well, not along the same line, but clothes dryers should be protected using GFCI. And after clothes dryers, we have microwave, right? I was expecting microwave to come before clothes dryers. That's why I had said along the same line, but here we are with microwave, right? And the microwave was the last one on the list, so it is 12 appliances, right? 12 appliances that should be protected using GFCI outlets. So those are the specific appliances that the National Electrical Code states that should be protected using a GFCI protection. And that was another video brought to you by Danai's Electrical Services. For this and similar videos, please feel free to subscribe to my channel at Danai's Electrical Services. Thank you, thank you, thank you.